Chad Colby's Tech segment is brought to you by AGI, supporting your expertise with industry-leading grain handling, storage, conditioning, and monitoring solutions. AGI, we're right there with you. This week, Chad's got a look at two historic family-run farm companies that are partnering to help producers get to a better tool when it comes to strip till.
Rolling out of the Kinze manufacturing factory this week is the all-new Falcon strip till system, marking the beginning of a new partnership between Kinze and Yetter Farm Equipment. The Falcon combines Kinze's proven 5700 toolbar with Yetter's well-established strip freshener row unit. Toolbar sizes range from 40 feet up to 66 feet, giving growers several ways to match their operations in row spacings of 30, 22, and 20 inch. I've actually had the opportunity to watch the Yetter strip freshener row unit work in the field over the years, and I know several growers who've been running these systems. The response has always been extremely positive. The row unit creates a clean, consistent strip while managing residue, preparing an ideal seed bed for the following crop, and placing nutrients exactly where they're needed. The system also provides flexibility when it comes to fertilizer placement. A factory-installed liquid system is available, while producers who prefer dry have several proven aftermarket options. Another unique part of this partnership is how it's being brought to market. Whether you work with your local Kinze dealer or Yetter dealer, both will be able to sell and support the new toolbar. Kinze models will be finished in Kinze blue, while Yetter versions will wear Yetter black. The equipment's the same, the color simply reflects the dealer network. Orders begin next week, with first units scheduled to ship in October. If you would like to learn more, please contact your local Kinze or Yetter dealer. You'll also be able to see the new toolbar at the 2026 Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa, or you can arrange a visit to Kinze's demonstration facility in Williamsburg, Iowa, to see the system up close. For This Week in Agribusiness, I'm Chad Colby.
Thank you, Chad. It's great to see those family-owned businesses working to make ag successful. Folks, leave it here. We'll have more to come after this.